Work out the values of x between 0 degrees and 360 degrees for which 2 tan squared x is equal to 3. Give your answers to one decimal place and you must show your working. Well, let's start by having tan squared x being equal to 3 over 2, which would mean that tan x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 3 on 2. So tan x could be equal to the square root of 3 on 2, or tan x is equal to the negative of the square root of 3 on 2. Let's find the principal value for each of these. So I want the inverse tangent of the square root of 3 over 2, and that's 50.77 degrees. And I also want that for the negative. So let's just go in here and put a negative in there. And that's negative 50.77. Okay, so for this first one, we want values from 0 to 360. So I'm going to do a cast diagram, 0, 90, 180, 270, and then round to 360. And remember, all sine, tan, cos. And the principal value here is 50.77. And because it's a tangent, the other one must be down here. And the key angle here is 50.77. So that's going to give us 50.77. We're going to one decimal place as the final answer, so 50.8. And that's looking for angles from 0 to 360. That's the first one. And then the second one is all the way around here, and then we don't meet any more. So the next one is going to be at 180, add 50.8. That's 230.8. Just change the colour, 230.8. And we're going to get some solutions from over here as well. So let's have a second diagram. And the principal value here was a negative 50.8, so down there. Since that's negative, the other place we have negative is up here. And the reference angle would be this one, 50.8. So, going around to meet our angles, the first one is 50.8 before we get to 180. So, we are going to have to do 180, take away 50.8. It's 129.2. And then the other one will be here, and that's 360 take away 50.8. So 360 take away 50.8, that's 309.2.